Offering targeted free or deeply discounted pest control can build trust quickly without destroying margins if you structure offers strategically. Focus on tracking customer acquisition economics with granular metrics and clear promotional rules. Measure cost per acquisition by adding technician time, product cost, travel, and administrative overhead, and compare that to the lifetime value of the client based on reasonable retention and recurring treatment frequency. Limit free or heavy discounted offers to short promotional windows or to specific segments such as first responders or neighbors of current customers to concentrate benefits and create referral clusters. Design promotional treatments using low product cost protocols like inspection, sealing recommendations, and bait placements that show visible results while keeping consumables minimal. Pair discounts with mandatory follow-up appointments at standard rates, so discounts act as introductions rather than permanent pricing. Always require consent for a service agreement or maintenance plan that outlines typical frequencies and price resets so you can convert trial clients into predictable revenue. 3 common mistakes are giving open-ended free services that attract one-time bargain seekers, failing to measure conversion or margin, and offering costly full treatments as promotions that burn cash. If you offer free services without limits, you will reward customers who will never pay. So make promotions time-bound or available only with a qualifying action like signing a maintenance agreement. If you do not track conversion, you cannot know whether promotions pay off. So implement simple tracking using a unique promo code or intake tag and review results monthly. If you use expensive products or long technician hours for promos, you will lose money. So design promo protocols around inspections, recommendations, and low-cost initial interventions that demonstrate value and set up upsell opportunities. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover pest control pros nearby who advertise services and availability. We connect contractors with customers and host a discussion community where we and our members share real experiences, compare approaches, and ask practical questions.